In the today's video, we will show you how to highlight a particular element from a picture. So without wasting time, let's start the video. Click on Insert, click on Picture, select picture as you want, insert it, adjust the size of picture, click on first slide, duplicate it, select picture, go to Format, click on Crop, highlight a particular element from that picture, click on Outside, again go to Insert, click on Text box, drag it. I am writing bird here, select it, change the font, bold, adjust spacing as a very loose, increase the size of text box, click on second slide, duplicate it, select picture, go to Format, click on Crop, highlight a second element from that picture. I am selecting lion here, click on Outside and writing lion here, select it, change the color and adjust it. Click on third slide, duplicate it, go to Format, click on Crop, highlight another element from that picture. I am highlighting lake here. Take the text box again and write lake. Again click on fourth slide, duplicate it, select picture, go to Format, click on Crop, highlight another element. I am highlighting mountain here. In the text box, I am writing mountain. Adjust it, select and change the color. Click on Outside, go to first slide. After that, go to Transition, select Morph and duration we are selecting as 4 seconds and click on Slideshow. So see friends, our slide looking very beautiful and we are highlighting a particular element from that slide. So if you think this video is helpful to you, please share this video with your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video.